Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that affects a lot of people, especially as they approach retirement: why most people unknowingly overpay their taxes during this life stage. Now, you might be thinking, I've been saving for retirement, so why would I be overpaying taxes? Well, it's not just about how much you've saved, it's about how you withdraw that money. And that's where things can get tricky. So, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the common reasons people think they're overpaying taxes in retirement. You might hear things like, I have a large IRA, or I'm taking required minimum distributions. But according to Tyson and Ryan Thacker, the founders of BOSS Retirement Solutions, these aren't the real reasons. They say, most people don't overpay their taxes because they saved too much. They overpay because nobody taught them how to withdraw their money in retirement. Now, here's the thing: retirement changes the game. Before retirement, you're focused on where to invest your money. But once you retire, the question shifts to where your retirement income will come from. And that's where the real tax pitfalls can occur. You see, different retirement accounts are taxed differently, and making the wrong withdrawal decisions can trigger a chain reaction of tax consequences. For instance, withdrawing from the wrong account or in the wrong order could lead to paying taxes on up to 85% of your Social Security benefits, pushing you into a higher income tax bracket, increasing your Medicare premiums, and even leading to larger required minimum distributions later in retirement. It's a complex web of interconnected decisions. The financial industry, however, tends to focus on helping people accumulate wealth during their working years. Conversations revolve around saving enough, investment performance, and diversification. But when it comes to retirement, the focus shifts to creating income in the most tax-efficient way possible. And that's a conversation many retirees haven't had before. So, what does a coordinated withdrawal strategy look like? Well, it's not one size fits all. For some, it might make sense to withdraw from a brokerage account first. For others, it might be better to draw more heavily from an IRA while in a lower tax bracket. And for some, partial Roth conversions before required minimum distributions begin can create meaningful tax savings. The key is to make those decisions intentionally, not just based on convenience. Retirement tax planning is about coordinating dozens of decisions that influence each other: when to file for Social Security, how to handle required minimum distributions, whether Roth conversions make sense, and where your retirement income will come from. It's about reducing the total amount of taxes you'll pay throughout retirement, not just lowering taxes this year. BOSS Retirement Solutions offers a free, customized retirement tax savings analysis to help people understand these decisions and see how much they could potentially save. This analysis often reveals significant tax savings for IRA/401(k) withdrawals, Social Security benefits, and other investment income. And the best part? It's free, even if you never become a client. So, if you've saved more than $300,000, now is the time to understand how your withdrawal decisions could impact your taxes for decades to come. You've worked hard to build your retirement savings, and it's crucial to understand the tax consequences of your withdrawals. Because that single decision could have a lasting impact on how much of your hard-earned savings you get to keep. To schedule your complimentary retirement tax savings analysis, give them a call at 801-990-5055 or click the link provided. Tyson and Ryan Thacker, the founders of BOSS Retirement Solutions, are published authors of the Amazon best-selling book, The BOSS Retirement Blueprint. Their firm has 7 offices throughout the Wasatch Front and a new office in St. George, offering advisory services through BOSS Retirement Advisors, LLC, and insurance products and services through BOSS Retirement Solutions. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding your tax situation in retirement is crucial. Don't let those taxes eat into your hard-earned savings.